Hi everyone, you're trying to download the videos or files in IDM, that is Internet Downloader, but when you try to download, you kind of get an error. That has been happening to me for the last, I think, 7 days or 5 days. I already have a genuine copy of IDM. I already have actually the add-on in my browser. This is Mozilla, but I also do have it in my Chrome. For some reason, actually, they stopped working both in Chrome and Mozilla. For the first time, I thought maybe it was my Chrome. Maybe IDM doesn't now work with Chrome, but I realized also actually with my Mozilla, still I couldn't actually download the videos or files I wanted using IDM. Now, this is there are like two solutions, but the most option that have worked for people is the first one, which I'm going to show you. What you're going to do is you're going to go to your computer here on the top, sorry, on the bottom right. You're going to go to your internet downloader. Okay, you're going to click on that icon. The internet downloader is going to come. Okay, now the first thing is usually browsers update themselves. They have updates, and some of those updates kind of crash with IDM. So what IDM does, usually it always has to make an update and make a fix so that your browser works well with IDM. So what you do is you go to help. Then when you go to help, you go to check for updates. Okay? In other words, the most main reason why your IDM is kind of giving you an error when you're trying to download anything online is because you have an outdated version on your computer. That is the main reason. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to just check for updates. When you click on check for updates, it will check for updates, then find an update, then it will prompt you to install an update, then you fix it. Okay. Make sure you always have the current update for IDM. Actually, not always, because I never actually do this. It was until like last week. I've been using IDM for the last, I think, 1 year, and I rarely actually do manual updates until last month when until actually last 7 or 5 days when it was not working, and I had to come and check for updates. Then I install the updates and everything actually is back to normal. I can just download this video that just as the normal way I've been doing. Okay, now that is the first thing. Okay, now if show me you have the most updated version of IDM, but still things are not working, you can try to go to your, if you're using Mozilla, okay, I'm going to give you two options. If you're using Mozilla, you try to remove the add-on and put it back. Okay, you try to remove the add-on and put it back. And the next time, I think, make sure automatic updates are on or on default. Actually, leaving it on default is fine. There's some cases when your automatic updates are off. So it means you have to struggle to updating your add-on every time you want it to be updated. Okay. So the most issue with IDM not really working on browsers is because it's outdated. When you're using Chrome, now for Chrome, it's better if you get the add-on, the extension from their main website. Okay, IDM has a website and it has a file for Chrome. You just have to actually go to their website, or you can just search Internet Downloader Chrome add-on. You get to this page. Okay, so you get to this page, and these guys have actually a link directly to your Chrome extension. Okay, so you can download it. It's a matter of saying like Internet Downloader Chrome extension. Okay, for starters, when you put that, you kind of actually find a page which has this. Okay, that's how I found this link. Okay, so that one can also help you out if you're having an updated version of IDM, and also you can try to make sure you download the extension from their main website. Okay, because you may have an updated version, but your extension in Chrome is fake, because there are a lot of fake extension is in Chrome which are named IDM. So you make sure you get the extension from their main website. So that can fix issues with IDM not working in your Chrome or Mozilla. But as I've said, the first thing you should struggle with is get the updated version, the latest version. How do you know the latest version? You just have to go to help and check for updates. Itself, it will check for the latest update and it will update for you. Okay. So see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to support me by subscribing, and bye bye.